Everyone, welcome back to online classes. Standard 8 Subject Science, Chapter 11, Topic Human Body and Organ System. Let us solve the question and answers of this lesson and study them further. Let's begin. Question number 1, fill in the blanks with appropriate words given in the bracket. First one, RBCs of the blood contain hemoglobin and iron compound. Second, diaphragm is present between thoracic and abdominal cavity. Third, cardiac muscles are involuntary. Fourth, pH of oxygenated blood is alkaline. Fifth, production of RBCs occur in red bone marrow. Question number 2, match the following, find out my partner. Group A and Group B. Heart beats 350 ml, RBC 7.4, WBC 37 degrees C, blood donation 72 per minute, and the last one is normal body temperature 50 to 60 lakh per mm cube. Sixth, pH of oxygenated blood 5000 to 6000 per gram, and the correct answer is heartbeat 72 per minute, RBC 50 to 60 lakh per mm cube, WBC 5000 to 6000 per mm cube, blood donation 350 ml. Fifth, normal body temperature 37 degrees C, pH of oxygenated blood 7.4. Now second, match the following. Group A, Group B. William Harry, blood group AB, Karl Landsteiner, ABO blood group system, Dextal and Sturley, mechanism of circulation of blood. William Harvey, mechanism of circulation of blood. Karl Landsteiner, ABO blood group system, DeCasto and Sturley blood group AB. Find the odd man out. Blood group A, O, K, AB and B. Here only there are 4 blood groups and K is not a blood group, so it is odd man. Second, blood plasma, platelets, blood transfusion, blood corpuscles. Answer is blood transfusion. Third one, trachea, alveoli, diaphragm, capillaries. Answer is capillaries. Fourth, neutrophils, globulins, albumins and parathormation. Answer is neutrophils. Fourth, explain the difference. External and internal respiration. External respiration, intake of air from the outside into the body and release of air from the body to outside is called as external respiration. Exchange of gases between cells and tissue fluid is called internal respiration. Second point, external respiration occurs between cells and the external environment. Internal respiration occurs in the cell of the body. Third, it involves process of inspiration and expiration. Third, it involves movement of oxygen from blood into tissue fluid and movement of carbon dioxide from tissue. Fourth, internal respiration involves neither breathing nor gaseous exchange, while fourth point of external respiration involves breathing and gases exchange. Arteries and veins. Arteries carry blood away from the heart to the tissue of the body. Veins carry blood from the tissue of the body back to the heart. Arteries are located deeper within the body. Veins are usually located superficially beneath the surface of skin. Arteries are thick-walled, veins are thin-walled. Arteries do not have valves, veins have valves. Question number 5. Give scientific reason. First one, blood donation is considered to be superior of all donations. Blood cannot be manufactured by any artificial chemical process. The only way to obtain blood is by donation of blood from a live donor. Blood is needed at the time of emergency. The life of person can be saved if timely blood transfusion is given to the needy. Such blood donation can save a valuable human life. It is called the superior of all donations. Second one, human blood is red colored. The color of human blood is red due to hemoglobin, which is a red colored conjugated protein with iron that is present in the red blood cell, therefore it looks red. Third, person with O blood group is considered as a universal donor. Answer, person with O blood group does not have any antigen on his or her RBCs. The O type blood group thus cannot cause clotting reaction in the body of the recipient. Such person with O blood group can donate blood to any person having any blood group. Therefore, they are considered as universal donor. Fourth point, food must have been limited amount of salt. More salt in diet means more sodium ions. These extra sodium salt cause rise in blood pressure. Such condition is called hypertension. This condition can be dangerous and fatal in some cases. Therefore, one must keep control over sodium content on the food. In this manner, we have completed the notes of this chapter. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel Kids Study Fun and Food. Hope you all are liking my videos.